Did you know Canva can create full motion graphic style presentations that look professionally animated? Most people think Canva is just for basic slides, but it can do a lot more than that. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a simple idea into a high-impact animated design you can use for business, school, or social media, using features most people don't even know Canva has. Let's get started. I'm in Canva, and today I'm going to make presentation, something that's a little different, but that could be used for a lot of different applications. I'll show you now. I'll go to Video, click on that. I'll choose Landscape. I'll just leave it as is, and I'll choose light brown as my background color. Alright, next I'll go to Elements and get a circle. I'll put it in the center and make it brown. Next, I'm going to go to my Uploads area. You can see I've already added some dog faces here. You could use the project I'm sharing here for a lot of different things. Today, I'm going to pretend I'm using this for my dog business. So I'm going to drop in my dog faces just like this. And while that's finishing, I'll come right over here and do this. I'll shrink it down a little bit and I'll put it right about there. Then I'm going to take this face and put it right there. I'll also match up the size to this one. Next, I'll take it right back over here and tilt it that way. Then I'll go add this one, put it here, and I'll do the same basic thing. Then I'm going to completely turn it upside down. And for the last one, I'll use this doggy and put him right here. Okay, now I'm going to highlight all of them and then group them together. Next, I'll take this and I'll pull it right over here like this for now. There we go, that'll work. Remember, I'm going to use this in my dog business, so I need to add some text over here like this. There we go. And now I'm just going to copy that. Alright, then move both of these over here just like that. Next, I'm going to duplicate this and pull the new ones right down here just like that. I'll add a new blank there. Okay, and then we'll take this and turn it one time like that. Now it's time to add something new here. Alright, then I'll do the same thing here. I'll duplicate them first because I know I'm going to need it in a minute. On this third one, we're going to crank it around one more time just like that. And then we'll change this too. Do the same thing for all 4 images. Then rotate the image to the next dog. Change the text here too. Repeat the same process here. What we're going to do next is come right down here in between each one of these and add a transition. I'm going to choose Match and Move. We'll try this to start and see how it goes. That works well, but it's too long, so I'll shrink the duration of each slide. Alright, so I went back in and I did a little editing and changed the length of each of these slides, or pages, whatever you want to call them, from 5 seconds each to just under 3. I just made sure that everything all lines up from slide to slide. I did add a couple of things. I added these little footy prints, and I added some feet at the end. I also added some music from my Suno account. Since I have a paid plan, I can use my music commercially, like on YouTube or social media. Then I added it in right there and I lowered the volume a little. The next thing I'll do once I'm finished is go up here to Share, click on Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and then choose Download. And now you can put it in your social media, on your website, or wherever you're going to use it. But this kind of gives you some idea of something you can make for many different purposes. You could use this in your classroom, for your business, at home, for your social media, whatever. In just a second, I will show you the final product complete with the music.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.